Today, we're going to build a Hailfire Droid using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab 2 of these 1x1 round plates with hole in the stud. And I'm just going to get 2 of those plates and put them together. And this will be the body of my Hailfire Droid. And once those are together, I'm going to grab 2 of these 1L bars. They're kind of crooked with the 1x1 round plate on the end. And I'm going to stick 2 of those, one on each end of my 2 plates that I put together. And when I put them in, I want to make sure that they're about the same length out and in. So I want about the same amount of length of bar exposed on each end. And I want those 1x1 round plates facing down and in the same angle. Because the next thing I'm going to do is get these floating rings or life preserver pieces, they're called both, and I'm going to put those life preserver pieces on the studs that are facing down to create the wheels of my Hailfire Droid. And they're going to be at that nice angle of the Hailfire Droid as it goes against the clone army and it tries to fight for the Separatists.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.